Calculate frequency. It's giving you wavelength. So on your formula sheet, you've got the speed of light is equal to the wavelength times the frequency. So let's rearrange that to solve for frequency. Divide through by lambda, and you get frequency is equal to the speed of light over wavelength. Speed of light on your formula sheet is given to you 2.998 times 10 to the 8 meters per second. Now, before you use that number or that number, notice it's in units of nanometers. So if we put any number down here in units of nanometers, it's not going to cancel out with the meters that's already there. All right, so we want units of meters to cancel out, or you can turn the speed of light into nanometers, but that's just the easier way for me would be to turn that number into meters. So I'm going to use this one because this is in scientific notation. It's just going to, actually it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. All right, so maybe you've done enough of these to know that when you have hundreds of nanometers, it's just going to be that same number times 10 to the negative 7 meters. All right, if you are just getting started and this is one of your first problems, then I'll do the work here off to the side. All right, so 650 nanometers, we're going to need a conversion factor to get rid of nanometers. So we need a conversion factor that has nanometers on the bottom, and then the desired unit is meters on the numerator. Right, so that's going to be equal, 1 nanometer is equal to 10 to the negative 9 meters. And so you can just put that number up there. All right, and you didn't have to move the decimal. That's 650 times 10 to the negative 9 is going to give you the same answer. Okay, let's cancel, get back to my color. Cancel out the meters, top and bottom. All right, let's punch these numbers in our calculator. 2.998 times 10 to the 8 divided by 6.5 times 10 to the negative 7. We need 3 significant figures because so 4.61. 4.61 times 10 to the 14 per second, or hertz. So either unit, they're equivalent. Now I said 3 sig figs because even though this number has 2, all right, or it's actually unclear, written in scientific notation, we know every digit in the coefficient, the 6, the 5, and the 0, are all significant. Therefore, our calculated answer should also have 3 significant figures.